I was thinking, let's not work today. I mean, I love being in the garage with you and I love doing all of this, but it's Father's Day. I think we should do something fun like go for a drive.
Okay. Who's driving?
Me, of course. It was a year and a half ago when we decided to start this crazy adventure, and when you said we could do this.
Yeah, and a lot's happened.
Yeah.
A lot's happened. We've done a lot. A year and a half ago, we were scuffing out the engine bay. Then we rebuilt the whole engine.
That's probably one of my favorite things we've done.
The can is moving. There we go. This is number 7, right? And then you put in seat belts. You put in 3-point seat belts.
It's time to weld. Oh my gosh! I did it!
And we've learned quite a few things.
Oh, definitely. Not
learned
to put a wrench on a battery.
Oops.
To always leave a bolt in the transmission pan.
Yes. You've learned to always put the flare nut on the brake line before you flare it.
You learned.
No! Wait. Oh.
I give up. We
Yeah.
learned not to have rusty toe boards because it's gonna kill your soul.
But we've also had some really big moments.
Seeing my new bezels all finally installed, that was really nice.
When we actually got to test the wiring and it all worked.
That was a breath of relief.
Yes!
Yes! Oh! It worked!
I mean, that was the first time we had ever really put something back together and we had to see if it was actually going to work. And then when we first started it up for the first time.
That was such like a cool experience. And now, really big stuff, I've got my permit so I can drive.
Right. And you're doing a great job. You're a really good driver. You really
thanks.
are. You're
This
a good
is really
driver.
stressful.
I know, but you're doing a good job driving and talking. But we got some cool stuff coming up. We're just about to start on body work because Eastwood's given us all the OptiFlow priming stuff, so we're going to do all that. So body work coming up. We're going to paint Carl. That's going to be cool.
That's going to be so awesome.
Yeah, we've got a lot more to do, and there's cool stuff coming. But I'm not in any hurry to be done.
Neither am I. It's really fun to have a project to do in your spare time and with you.
Yeah, anytime I can spend the day in the garage with you, that's a good day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thanks, Dale.